Hi Vanessa, how old are you today? You're 50 weeks old and it's January 27th, 2013. Ooh, ah. Can you show me, what do you do for bottle? Can you do this? What's that? Can you do bottle? Show me bottle. What do you do for your bottle? Can you do that? Good girl. Good girl. That's a bottle. That means you want your bottle, right? You just had your bottle, but you can do the sign for bottle. Good girl. And what else can you do? What does a cow say? What does a cow say? What does a cow say? Moo. 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 Yeah. What else have you learned? Can you say bye? Bye-bye. Say bye. There's someone there to say bye to? I don't think so. Can you say bye? Bye. 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 Bye-bye. Can you do bye-bye? Bye. 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 Can you blow kisses? Was that a kisses? Yeah. What else can you do? Anything else? Yeah. Are you hungry? Do you want your food? You want your food? Okay, we'll get your food. Can you say, okay, bye, video camera? You say bye? What are you looking at? Hey. Oh, you said bye. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, let's feed you. Yeah, okay, bye. Oh. Want to try it again? Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Okay, stand up. Started doing this as like a one-man show. Okay, ready? I get distracted. Okay, wow. Okay, can you? Okay, let's get some balance here. Okay, ready? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, ready to walk? Okay, come on, walk to mommy. 1, 2. Yeah! Yeah! Yay! 50 weeks old. Those are like the most steps you've taken. What day is today? January 28th. Good walking. Oh. Yeah, can you do it again? Can you do it again? Can you do it again?